Hello guys, Literally here. Today we're going to be installing this aftermarket tow hook. I got it from eBay, so I went with the Taiyaki, and I'm going to explain to you why is this not good for your car. If you own a Honda and you have a tape for towing, I'm going to show you that in a little bit. So I had this one first. So originally I had it mounted here inside of this on the radiator supporter. Then I had no brake, and my mechanician kind of like went into another car with my car, so I remove it and put it right here. When I put it right here, this time I just put it on the bumper, because if I put it on my radiator support, it would just mess it up because there was already a hole in it. So I don't know, some car was backing up, and it's one morning before I go to school, I always like check over my car, and I see this was like this, like little like this. So I took it out. I immediately took it out so don't get loose. I don't lose all my money, even though I'm probably gonna I'm gonna sell it. So these one, if you're planning to use this, I prefer you should not, because get one of these like this. It have a hook on the bottom of this, so you could hook it up. But this, you have to put it exactly on the bumper. There's not exactly a thing that you just messing up your bumper, just like me. So there's a hole right here and a hole right here. So now, to make it even, this hole is bigger, so this one's smaller. I have to make it even. So now I have to take out the bumper. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, let me show you what I mean. So this is what I mean. So this is how it was messed up. So, but for the other one, this is what happened. It just messing up my radiator supporter. So I just buy one of these. This one, it have a thing under the car, so you could hook it up like right here. Right here, you just hook it up, and make sure you buy a long one though. There's this small one. Make sure you get a long one, because the long one is better. I already bought a small one, then I return it and get a long one. See, the long one will give you the perfect look. So yeah, from my experience, these are better and these are trash. Well, if you're going for the look, alright, cool, but if you're having a race car and you want this to be usable, then you should get this. But don't get this. This one, yeah. I mean, you could still buy it for the look, but not for usable. If you want to use it, get one of these. So now, let's get to action. So all you need to use this, it came out with this. It's like you were installing a Wii tow hook. Like, you just have to take this out, unbolt this and bolt this and inside the thing I just showed you, the tow. Then yeah, that's all it is. That's an easy install. So let's get to it. So there you guys have it. This is how I did it, and the reason it's not bolted there, it's because this is way too wide. Like, if you ever install a Wii one, the Wii ones have like a thing that bolt between this, so it hold it like the Wii tow hook. Like, I don't know, I will show you a picture of what I'm saying. The wheel tow hook, like if you ever install one of these, it have like a plate, a little plate that support this from I mean, going around or going anywhere. But this one doesn't have it. So yeah, so this is the long one, and this will come out, and it's pretty sturdy, as you could see. And there's another way you could mount another one too. So but if you want to get one, you could get the small one and you put it in this. But I don't recommend it, because get a long one. It's better. You could adjust it, you could make it short, you could make it longer. Like this, you won't lose your money. So there it is. Now let me just pull out my bumper and see how it look. So there you guys have it. It's pretty sturdy. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like the video. If you notice, I got the gloves on. I don't want what happened last time to happen to me. If you haven't checked that video, make sure you check it out. I drew my finger, like the drill just went a bolt straight into my finger. Check this video out. I mean, I didn't show it when it happened, but I don't know why I got red, white though. I don't know. So yeah. If you enjoyed, like the video. If you did, comment and subscribe. Peace.